Hey everybody, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to reset TradingView Chart on an iPhone. So this works exactly the same as it does on any laptop or desktop device. So let's just assume that you have your iPhone. So all you need to do is simply from your chart you need to head over to your settings, which is usually on top, and there you have this drop down which is highlighting this option of apply to defaults. Now before we do that, you can get a $15 startup bonus once you simply sign in using the link in the description below. So you can see once you apply your defaults and click on OK, you will be able to realize that it is going to be resetting everything back to normal, and that's how you can reset TradingView Chart on your iPhone. So pretty easy, no hard and fast rule there. And yeah, so that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and see you in the next video.